Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Want to take a few minutes and share with you a great opportunity to own a 2022 Crest pontoon boat. This model is called the SLC Deluxe. You'll notice on the tunes here that it has bottom paint, has some driving lights up here coming in the dock or the slip at night, which is an option. That's nice at nighttime. And as we walk back to the back here, it's powered with a Mercury 115 4-stroke. Has another optional feature here for a battery charger. That's nice. You can plug that in the evening before you go out, make sure your batteries are 100%. But let's hop aboard and let's see what else the boat has. Okay everyone, here we are aboard this 2022 model Crest pontoon. Now this model, it's a 240, meaning it's 24 feet long. And let me tell you, you can pack a lot of people in this pontoon. There's a lot of neat features I really like about this boat. Has a nice wide boarding ladder in the back for getting on and off the boat. Nice walk through here. You can see it has your bimini that folds down if you're trailering, or when not in use, for your storage. You've got all of your U-shaped seating back here. Plenty of storage up underneath all seats. Got a great stereo in here. Got a big subwoofer right here. Now this boat, the way it's designed, you've got a step-up helm here, folks, if you'll notice. A lot of pontoons don't have that. They're right on the floor. Step-up helm with not just one captain's chair, but it also has the port side captain's chair. That's an option. As we sit here at the helm, you've got an hour meter. You've got your regular displays that you need for trimming up the motor, your RPMs, your fuel, and again, has the Fusion stereo, very nice upgraded stereo. Storage up underneath the helm here. As we walk forward, you can see as we walk forward how much room is in the front of this boat. Now, this boat is also equipped with the optional front bimini top. What does that mean? That means once your rear bimini top's up, this one comes up, zips into the front. Now the entire 24-foot boat is covered in shade. If you want to have a nice shade day at the island, if you're eating lunch and whatnot. But folks, this is a great, rare opportunity to own a boat that only has a few hours on it. When I say few, I mean a few. The boat is like brand new. So come see me again. My name is Kenny Brown, MarineMax Panama City Beach. You can reach me at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.